picture.
Oh yeah.
This lake called Pluvicin Lake. It's mostly waterfalls.
Yeah.
And they don't allow gasoline run boats.
Oh really?
Electric.
They're going environment, huh?
Yeah, but this reminds me of what they do for
like
the
this?
tourists. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
And Singapore does this too. Because I guess you have to worry about snakes too, right?
Yeah, not so much. We have snakes, but there's no poison one here. Just a coral reef snake, but it's not out to get you. Their mouths and things they're small and sit the back. They just want fish.
So, okay.
Hold your stick.
Oh, it's quite sturdy.
Oh yeah.
Does it get washed out?
Not that I know of. Oh yeah, they rechange these wood planks because they get old.
Often,
they just changed it up.
Wow.
You know, because of rain and softness.
Whoa. Wow. I can imagine that those cars would have been interesting.
Yeah. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Yep, I was here yesterday. What do you think? You can put your bag here or the bench there, wherever you like. It's convenient for you. At your convenience. Haha. Oh yeah. Here at the waterfall. Waterfall, gotta go. Like a Michael Jackson. Oh, what about yesterday? What about us? I can't even breathe. What about us? Forgot my mask, so we'll just see what we see. Take a peek. Here we go. Hey, look at this, I made this like a Zen rock yesterday. I made this. Yes! Yes! This is where we get our special massage on the back. so cool, guys. Peace out. The fun.